In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section title to your survey in just a few simple steps. Whether you're designing a survey to gather data for research, feedback, or any other purpose, having clear and organized sections can significantly improve readability and engagement. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your existing survey where you plan to add the section title. If you haven't created one yet, make sure you have a survey started that you can work with. Once you've navigated to your survey, locate the Edit Survey option. This will allow you to make the necessary adjustments to your design. As you're getting started, remember that a well-structured survey can make all the difference in how respondents engage with your questions. Now that you're in the survey editor, you'll find yourself on the Design Survey tab. This is your central hub for making design changes. Look towards the top of your screen and click on the Build menu. Think of the Build menu as your creative toolbox, offering you a variety of tools and options to customize your survey to better fit your needs. Next, we're going to add a new piece of text to your survey. Within the Build menu, find and select the Text option. This is useful for breaking up different sections of your survey, separating topics, or adding instructions for your respondents. Once you've selected text, click on Add to incorporate this new element into your survey design. Now it's time to decide on the text you'll be using. In the provided text field, type your desired section title. This could be something as simple as introduction, instructions, or even a question that helps transition smoothly into the subsequent query. Make sure your title is relevant and gives clear context to the upcoming questions, as this will set the tone for the rest of your section. To make your title stand out, you have the option to format it using the Rich Text Editor. If you haven't used a rich text editor before, it's a handy tool that offers several formatting options to ensure your title catches the eye. You can bold your text for added emphasis or italicize it for a subtle differentiation. Additionally, you have the freedom to change the font size and color. This visual variety can help ensure your respondents know they're transitioning into a new section. Finally, after making sure your title looks just right, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial as it applies all your changes to the survey. It's always a good idea to review your overall survey design after saving to make sure everything flows as intended. I hope these steps have provided you with a clear and straightforward method for adding section titles to your surveys. Incorporating thoughtful design elements like section titles can truly enhance your survey's clarity and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and good luck with creating your perfect survey.